Hello everyone, Rob, 2E0RPT here. Happy New Year everyone. It's a program, it's still in unfinished state at the moment, but it's something that I'm working on and I can show you what it looks like at the moment. It's a program for monitoring the signal level, signal to noise ratio level, the signal quality and noise level of your node. If I just go ahead and put my password in here, you can see that we got bar graphs. We have a live for each one, as well as an average for most of them. Didn't see any point doing an average for noise level. There's also a big screen, makes your bars longer, and that. There is also some colour schemes which might help. Depends on your preference. And also a sound output. You can select what you want the sound output to be attached to as well, whether it's the live signal, the live signal to noise ratio, or even maybe live quality. Let's turn that off. Oh, before I do, if you are using the sound option and you're using you can't have the computer close to your node, you could be using a radio, or a couple of radios, one of them set to Vox near your radio, and this kind of beeping might not trigger it. You can always tick this little box here. And that would make it longer. Let's turn that off for now. You can change the number of samples that you're using for averaging. Default is 25, I find it quite good. The update speed is set to auto, so you see this internal delay is decreasing, and then if your node replies slightly slower or it senses some lag, it will increase the delay. Also, if you lose communication with the node and then regain communication with the node, it will reconnect, log you back in again. This is all done using a telnet session, so no encryption is used, which is good if you're using this over RF. It means we're not illegally doing this. We're not using encryption to do this. So there's a big screen there. You can even change how long it scrolls between the various states. And well, that's about it at the moment. So what I'll do is I'll just turn the sound option on to, I'll do average signal to noise ratio, because that does seem to be quite a useful one. If you're using live signal to noise ratio, then you can probably line up nice and quickly, but if you're using the averaging system, you'll get a more accurate one. You may have to slow down with your alignments a little bit to allow averaging to give you a true reading. But before I just spill loads and loads of information about how it works, I'll just go and show you. So I'm going to do average signal to noise ratio, and I'm going to go in the other room and wave the nodes around. Place the microphone there, you'll be able to hear it better. Right, now I'll just go do the same again with a live signal. because averaging over 25 you do have to wait a bit, and I don't want this video to last that long. And there you go. Let's turn the sound off. So, but there's another advantage to this as well. If I load up a second one, and we'll connect this to the other end, which is my tunnel client. And there you go, you can actually watch both ends happening at the same time. I'll just line these up side by side, and again I'll just wave the node around. So yeah, it's all work in progress at the moment, but let me know what you think. Write the comments below, and I'll be happy to read through them. 7 threes everyone, thank you for watching.